Hello everyone. We are going to find the equivalent resistance for this circuit. We have a number of identical 7 ohms resistors in this diagram, and we want to find the total resistance rounded to the nearest ohms. To do this, we need to start from the most nested combination, from this combination R1 and R2. The equivalent resistance for this combination can be found by this formula, and since all resistors are the same, if we solve this equation for R12, which is the equivalent resistance of these two, we get half of R for this combination. So the new circuit will be this. These two branches are in parallel. R1, R2 is in series with R3, and we show this one as R123. The other branch is this one. We need to find the total resistance of these two as well. We name that resistance as R45, and to find R123 we just need to add these resistors. R12 is for this one and R3 is R, and the result will be 3/2 R for this branch. So therefore R123 is 3/2 of R. Now we need to find R45. The total resistance becomes 2R. So we have 2R for the upper branch, and these two are in parallel. And now let's find the total resistance for R6 and R7 as well, these two. For that branch, we have R6 plus R7 because they are in series. Then the total resistance for the green combination becomes 2R. Now we can replace this circuit by this one. So instead of R5, we have 2R. Instead of R123, we have 3/2 R. And instead of R67, we have 2R as discussed. These two branches are in parallel again, and the combination of these two is called as R prime. And finally, 7/6 R for 1/R prime. So if we flip this one to find R prime, it becomes 6/7R. So this combination is 6/7R. Now we have two resistors, R prime and 2R. Now these two are in series, and we can easily find the resistance of this combination. It becomes 20/7R. And since R is 7 ohms, the equivalent resistance becomes 20 ohms. Therefore, the total resistance for the circuit becomes 20 ohms. And B is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.